How to use Chroma Key in CapCut app. So maybe you saw other people removing their backgrounds on the photos and videos easily and you want to do the same. I'm going to show you how you can easily do this using the CapCut app. Let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open this app on your laptop or on your phone. It doesn't really matter. And now just click New Project. From here, select the video you want to use. I'm going to use this random one and click Add. Now I'm going to make an overlay and add another video in which I want to remove background. In my case, it will be the green screen. So we're going to tap the overlay button on the bottom of the screen and tap Add Overlay. And of course, I'm going to choose this cute dog on a green screen and click Add. Now we can resize it and drag to any different place. For example, I'm just going to resize the dog and drag to the bottom and then make sure that it is up to the end of the video. And this part I'm just going to cut off like that, and this part as well. Great. But now it is still with this green background. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on that video, on the bottom video. We're going to swipe left until we see option Remove BG Background. Click on that, and here is your chroma key. Tap on the chroma key, and we'll see the color picker. So we need to pick the green color with this circle. So the whole circle will be filled with the green color. Then just drop the finger and change the intensity to make it perfect. Also, you can add some shadows. And once it's done, click the check mark to confirm. And now let's take a look. I'm gonna play the video. And yep, now we just removed background and add an overlay with this funny dog. Then tap on Export on the top and just open up your photos. And this is the result. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.